Hey, hey, mga ka-VA. Andito na naman tayo sa isang episode ng ating virtual assistant life. And our content for today is obviously a Filipino VA's house, um, day 15. Alright, so medyo marami-rami
Nice
na
haircut. Can I
nangyari.
see my haircut?
And we are ready to go into the original audio once again.
Let's go.
Please enjoy.
Let's go. Oh, don't run. Lenny, look. Oh, reverse it.
It's on reverse now. It's upside down though.
Lenny, oh.
It's upside down.
Lenny.
It's upside down.
Let's take a picture, Lenny.
It's upside down.
Let's take a picture. Stop.
It's upside down. That's
My
why.
hands are wet.
My hands are okay. If you look here,
Hmm.
they are playing.
Oh, nice.
I think they got permission. I don't know.
Yeah, from the owner.
I guess they got unpermissioned again from the
Yeah,
something.
maybe. I think, yeah, they're not.
Nah, I think they're done now.
Yeah.
No, they're not done. We just need one more. Daryl.
Yeah.
That is done.
Yeah, nice na.
I don't know if they need to do this because this thing I can't see the original thing.
It's nice nga eh. No. Ooh. And they put something there. Abo. Oh, nice. Yeah, they put the bar.
Oh, they put right here now.
What?
They put right here now.
Yeah, nice. Oh, don't step on it.
The wet cement.
Yeah, because they will put the tiles.
Finally, no
Oh,
one
what's
can
that?
see.
What's this?
What's what? Oh. I don't know. I think those were for the sticks.
Wait. I think they made a mistake.
What? What? I thought it was. Why is there like two walls there? If someone needs.
No, they will put that one there. The sink there.
Let's go up. Let's go up. Let's go up. Dad.
Yeah,
Let's see what's new upstairs.
yeah, go.
Oh, that's new. That's new.
Hello ba? There. Oh.
I cannot go here now.
Malaglag ka ah.
Did they put the wall here already?
Yeah, before.
No, they didn't put this. That's why.
Yeah, that's the slab.
The slab is.
Oh, malaglag ka ah.
They just need to clean it. They still need. No, they still need to go to the wall.
Yeah.
We cannot see the.
We cannot. That's not our property anymore.
Rails. What are you gonna do? Rails. In 20 days. We're gonna build rails in 20 days.
Yeah.
We're buying rails. Everything. I'm worried that it will just be like this for the
Ano po yung nandun? Yung mga bato? Yung nandun? Careful. Malaglag ka, ha?
on the rock.
Wala naman nagdadaldal dyan sa katabi.
Si Bading lang yung ano. Narinig pala sa video. Oh, wait. Titus, wait ah.
Are you working on day 7?
Nice, yeah.
Why is it open? Why is there water?
Someone's inside.
Four tires are here. Of course they were. That's fine.
Nice with the light. You don't have a picture yet.
What?
You stay here for day 15. Come. Sir, sino gumagawa dito? Meron pa. Magkikita naman pala kami ni ano bukas. Dito, you stay here. Day 15. 1 here. And 5 here. Ready? Oh, no, 1 here. Don't move! Right? Don't move nga! Palikot. Day 15.
New haircut. You also. You're still sweaty.
Remove here, man. Okay, and that concludes the video part. Meron pa kaming konting face reveal ni Titus dun sa huli. So with the photos, tumitingin na kami ng sliding windows and the lights. Tapos syempre we took a visit again. So this is the bar in the kitchen. So yun muna siya. Medyo tight sa budget, so we won't be able to put in some cabinets first. But we're gonna put the sink here in the extension para mas lumuwag yung aming dining area ng konti. And that will be another bar connected to that one on the wall. So it's gonna be a U shape for a kitchen dining table. And yun, so onti-unting day 15, onti-unti pa rin na finish na yung mga nasa loob. So the changes actually aren't showing too much on the outside. Pero yan. So again, actually day 15 was a bit of syempre half a month na silang nag-work, half of 30 days. The target actually is 45 days of work, and we hope that na matapos na to. Actually nagkaroon ng konting break dahil sa election. So they weren't able to work for a week, and um as of doing this video, we're currently at day 18 actually. So mahabol ko na talaga siya, and we will try our best to make this a daily vlog. I mean, when there is work, we will try to upload the vlog right away towards the end of the day. So ayun, like I said, konti na lang yung changes na nakikita sa harap kasi more of the work is being done inside. Pero kita-kita naman na okay na nga yung slabs, etc. So they're doing the finishing on the walls. Um, they haven't started with the tiling. So hopefully yun yung masimulan towards the next few days. So thanks for watching. Again, please try to like, subscribe, and share. In whatever point you're watching this, maybe in the future from now, we really appreciate it. Thanks for watching.